guys, welcome to Recipes Mania. Say hello to someone you met here before, my nurse, Birgit. She's gonna be my assistant today.
Hello guys.
Okay, today we're making a recipe, a winter recipe, because I lost a bet with Renee. So, I'm calling this recipe Hot Orangeade. You've heard of hot lemonade? Well, I'm doing hot orangeade. So, Birgit, if you would please take the water that we boiled and pour that into the 3 glasses.
You mean the honey first?
Yeah, the honey first.
And then the water.
Yes.
The boiled water. Okay. So.
Don't be shy with the honey.
Yeah. You say stop.
Stop.
Okay.
And the same amount with the other.
This is a good drink for winter time, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially to kick the colds, am I right?
Yeah. And this is fresh orange juice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Birgit used her squeezer.
Yes.
Thank you for bringing that from home.
No problem, Bristol. So. Okay.
Now we're going to pour the boiling water into the glasses.
Okay.
Okay, so we're back. And now Birgit is going to pour that boiling water into those 3 glasses and stir it up.
Oh, sure. Be very careful. The water is hot.
Oh, yeah.
So. And I stir this. The fresh orange smells so wonderful.
I know.
Okay, so it's ready.
All right, and now Birgit is going to taste it.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Go ahead and give it a taste.
It's really, really good.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.